In the wake of escalating violence in Manipur, Chief Minster N.Biren has issued a stern warning that those perpetrating such acts will be held accountable if the Armed Forces Special Powers Act AFSPA is reinstated. The CM expressed his deep distress over the recent violent incidents, particularly the firing at Lilong Qingjao area in Thaubal district, which resulted in 4 villagers being killed by cadres of the Revolutionary People's Front, the political wing of the banned People's Liberation Army. This attack was reportedly linked to disputes over illegal drug trade revenue. The CM visited the injured at Rajmahal City and condemned the violence in a video message, urging the people of Lilong to maintain peace. He emphasized that the government cannot indefinitely tolerate lawlessness and that those who continue to take the law into their own hands will be responsible for any strict measures taken by the government, including the possible reimposition of AFSPA. The act had been extended for 6 months in the hill areas of the state since October of the previous year, with certain areas being exempt despite violent conflicts. Singh's statement come after a series of violent events, including a gunfight in Moreh town near the Indian-Myanmar border, which left several security personnel injured. The CM has made it clear that the government is committed to ensuring justice and has launched operations to apprehend the culprits involved in the violence. He also appealed to the public to assist the authorities by reporting suspicious activities and to stand united against the enemies of Manipur instead of engaging in internal conflicts. The situation remains tense and the government's response indicates a determination to restore order and potentially resort to stringent laws like AFSPA if necessary to curb the violence.